It's a 2019 Ford Super Duty F-350 single rear wheel. When you're built Ford tough, you look forward to the rough patches. This F-350 thrives when the work is hardest. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo V8 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, mirror-mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.